So let me show you step by step how to find a shared file in Google Drive. So after you open up now your Google Drive like this, the first thing you should do, you click on this My Drive. So under My Drive here now, it will give you all your Google Drive files. So now if you want to see the file that has been shared on your Google Drive, all you need to do, you just click on this option. Now if you look at this folder, so any folder that has been shared, it will just give you this person icon like this one. So this file I have already shared this file. So if you look at this file, there is, if you just hover on the file, it will give you just shared, because it has these two people as can see now. If you look at this file like this one, so if you scroll to down, as can see now, this file as can see now has these two little people, means that this file has been shared. This has been shared. This has been shared. So if I scroll to down, so you look at this video, as can see now, this video has not been shared. That's why it doesn't have this one. So any file or any folder that has this one, if it is folder, you will see this one. But if it is file, you will see these two people, means that the file has been shared. And that's it guys on how to locate or how to see if the file has been shared.